Alright, this is Adam, Nick, the owner of the car. Bad A60 Cadillac. We put an LS2 in, 4L60. Had to make the motor mounts, pretty much everything I had to fabricate. We couldn't leave the car intake on it. There wasn't room in the front to put a breather or anything. So we went to the carb style with the adapter, a 90mm throttle body flipped upside down to still clear the hood. Just a lot of everything we get somewhere, nothing would fit. We'd have to figure out another way. A car this big and the motors, there's no room in here for it. But now it's all in there, running good. Hopefully Nick's happy with it, enjoys driving it.
Oh yeah, I love this car now. I find myself driving it more now than ever before. I even drive it more than my Jag, but it's just fun. You get it now. It's got the sound. It's got some move. I mean, people don't expect it when you pull off a stoplight, and
you're not pulling up in a Honda Accord like everybody else.
No, and you actually, they're like, "Damn, what was that?" So yeah, he did a great job.
Awesome.
Awesome. It's neat. Everything's neat. You know, I can jump in it and I feel safe driving it anyway.
Yeah. By the way, if you guys are local looking for a good car, Nick runs Unique Auto. He keeps the good stuff, not your run-of-the-mill Honda Civics. He's got the stuff.
Yep. Come on down and check me out. Downtown Albemarle. But as a kid, I used to mow this man's grass, and he had it sitting under a carport, and I don't know, I just thought it was cool, like a Batman mobile. So one day I was in Greensboro visiting my family, and a bunch of people up the street, and I asked my dad what was going on. He told me that the old man passed away and they were auctioning all the stuff, so I went up there and bought it, and I've just been working on it close to about 10 years now. Started, it wasn't run, nothing, so me and my brother worked on it a little bit here and there. We rebuilt the whole front end, put disc brakes all the way around, put the accurate, I think it's the AccuAir ride system on it. Me and my brother did that. Then I blew out a couple transmissions in it, so I finally bit the bullet and put an LS2 in it. I'm so glad I did it. So now I'm gonna do the interior, just little by little. It's on these old cars, that's all you can do. Just little by little.